Hello there.
Yeah. Good morning. Well, very, very early good morning here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. It is like 8:30 in the morning. We're still a bit hard to sleep, but we're doing good. And we are running, well, theoretically running, to Flight of Passage, the new Avatar ride. So it's going to be a little crazy this morning. So we'll try and get on Flight of Passage and see how it all goes. We've got a really, really fun day, really, really long day, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So enjoy. Alright, so we're heading to the world of Pandora, and I think we decided if the line for Flight of Passage is outside of Avatar, we might wait till later, but we'll see when we get there.
Just say it's 3 hours long, and that's a long time.
Yeah, 3 hours long I feel just takes too much time out of your day. I think it's just too much. And I think because it's first thing in the morning, everyone is running to Avatar. So we're gonna risk it and come later.
Just be aware that this morning was extra magic hours.
Yep.
So these are just resort guests lining up for it. Like doesn't include the general public.
Yeah. The park opened at 8 o'clock and it's like 8:45 now. So everyone lining up, this 3 hour wait is just resort guests. So it's a bit crazy. So
just be aware if you're gonna come and try and do it early. I don't think you'll have a chance to do it.
I think a good chance maybe is maybe just before Rivers of Light. Maybe that's quite a good idea, but also it's just a risk that people are gonna have to take. But we'll have a look, we'll see how it is, but we'll see. We'll see. And also parks do like to put the wait times up, just so then it scares a little bit of people. But we'll see how it goes. So we'll see, we got the whole day. We'll find out. So we'll see you in a sec. So literally we've just entered Avatar, which looks amazing by the way. But I want you to have a look at this sign that this cast member is holding right now. End of the line. End of the line. This is nuts. This is nuts. So I think, I don't know. But we're gonna have a look around anyway. So this is Pandora. Not the jewelry shop. What I'm loving is all these like plants that are from this so-called world. And right here.
Hey, River Journey's only 30. Do you want to do that?
Let's do that, and then we could do it again for Fast Pass. And I'm loving these floating rocks island things. This is amazing. Colors of Mora. It's quite amazing. Yeah. 180 minutes for Avatar. But we are gonna go and do the Na'vi River Journey. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think that's probably good because everyone's on the Flights of Passage. We're going to do the river journey, and also we have this for Fast Pass as well, so it'll be nice to do this twice. But I think we're going to have to risk at some point doing Flight of Passage at some point today. But we're going to have an amazing day regardless, so let's do it. dinosaur. Pretty much a hidden gem. A lot of people come here for Everest and now Flight of Passage, but I would say Dinosaur is definitely up there, one of the best rides here. And we did the Navi River cruise, as you just saw. We're going to do it one more time so I can get an actual thought about it. But we're going to do Dinosaur, and we're going to try and get on Flight of Passage today, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But enjoy.
That will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked.
Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing.
Those locked coordinates?
We're in.
Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about the asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?